how to add or remove extra dim on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down, and if you want to add extra dim on quick settings panel, so click on pen icon and click on edit. So you will see extra dim is here. If you want to add, click on extra dim and click on done, and again click on done. You will see extra dim is add on quick settings panel. And after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove extra dim quick settings panel, scroll down, swipe down and click on pen icon, edit. You will see, click on this minus icon. After you click on this minus icon, click on done. You will see extra dim is remove on quick settings panel. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove extra dim on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.